Oh.
Oh yeah.
You should join the set.
Yeah. It's. I you think it's a circus here? Do you think it's a circus?
Change course.
Dave? The third outer costume outside. He's just, he's on the steering wheel.
He's done this before.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
He knows what he's doing. He's like, I'm trying to fly over there.
Look at that. That's funny. Oh man. I'm gonna make a movie of that.
Wee.
Hello. Are you drunk?
Hoopla. I'm hungry.
Okay, if you ultra close to Portside, you have to enter that on the logbook now. Okay? You silly bird.
Wee.
That's funny.
Come on, big wave.
Yeah. Excellent.
You must like it.
Yeah. He's a star. He's a star. You're filming also? Let's see if I can go.
Try and put him on your shoulder.
Just sitting here.
I think they're
worries.
cool.
Worries, guys.
Oh. They're worried.
Will you come back? Will you come back? The only thing, don't shit everywhere. The only thing.